Welcome back to Daytime Live, and it's my favorite time. What time is that? It's game.
You're playing games.
Time. Our first game is called This or That. Now, in This or That, one person says two related objects or topic of interest, and the other person will say what their preference is. It's really quite a simple game. It's not even a competition. It's more like a informative delving into disclosure on. Okay, you get the point. First one, right?
Ready?
Right?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
Hey. This or that, cats or dogs? Dufton.
Listen, I have always had dogs.
Uh-huh.
But I like cats.
Oh, you're calling them cats now? You see, they're all men here. All men here, everybody. So, my preference, I like dogs. Who let the... Soji is on the floor. All right, next. That was really good. Next question.
Next one.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. Next question. Hang out with little children or old people?
I like old. I prefer hanging out with old people.
That's a hard one for me because I love children.
But no. But here why I hang out with old people. Old people are like children, but they've had years of experience, so you never know what they're gonna say without the response.
It's like the same thing. Old people and children, they're the
kids
same.
don't say stuff because they're just learning.
Yeah.
Old people, they have been through it, so they don't care.
Yeah. And the thing about old people as well, though, if you listen, we don't take the time to listen to them enough. They have wisdom, yo.
Yeah.
If you listen to it, it's like, oh wow, like, I like that. But I still think maybe, I don't know, children. I love babies.
Pick one.
Children!
Good, have more.
That's not what I said. That's not what I said.
Next.
I love it when we read it off the screen. Massive success by accident, modest success on purpose. Stuff done.
I'll take the second one. Because that's sustainable. The massive success can go.
That I get the logic.
Yeah, you understand? So I take the second one.
Yeah, for me though, I would take the massive success because I know I can curate that. You know, me personally, I think everybody depends because not everybody can know what to do with certain things. I feel like I am humble enough to like ask for the assistance in the ways I need assistance to curate my massive success into long-lasting success. Does that make sense?
No,
I would go for...
Because accident means
Him
that...
just said no, it
let me tell you why.
Him just said no,
let me tell you why. When it says by accident, it doesn't mean it's a surprise or you have been working it and suddenly one day you're a success. It means like totally you're an accident.
That's what I mean, like you...
So for instance, you go to the beach, right? And you're wearing your bathing suit. Somebody takes your picture and all of a sudden you're a massive success on OnlyFans.
You know my problem with Dr.
I'm just saying no.
Let me tell you why me and you can't
so I'm
agree.
saying by accident.
So yes.
How are you going to sustain that?
Okay, so here's what I'm saying. Let me just bring this back to Angus here, right? Kim Kardashian received massive success because there was a video of her having intercourse with somebody that was released into the world. Everybody was talking about it. It blew up. Oh my God, who are these two things? She was able to use the publicity from that initial blow up to coin her way into... Yes! You guys know that's what happened to Kim Kardashian, right? Thank you, Soji.
Anyway,
you're the only one.
Modest success?
So I would say massive success by accident.
For me,
Soji.
it's go on.
Soji.
Oh, I clean up as I cook. When I'm done cooking, the only thing dirty is the pots. That
is really good. And my mother would love you because mommy say I saw you for cook.
Yeah.
If you clean all the time. Right. How do I actually cook?
Right.
But my mother taught me to clean up as I cook.
Right.
But I don't do that. I clean
Which
up at the
one?
end.
You clean up at the end?
In fact, I may not clean up at all.
Do you know sometimes...
I may be like,
Sometimes...
Bailey!
So, wait a second. Sometimes you don't clean up at all?
Next question. What is wrong with y'all today? Split the bill or take turns paying?
Actually,
It depends on who.
historically, I'd more take turns paying. Historically, splitting the bill is too much of too much work. Like trying to figure out and whatever it is. And I just like, hey, I'll pay, and next time you pay.
So for me, it depends on who. I'm just a huge fan of you paying. Next. The end. Next. Ambition.
She have none. She don't have any.
First of all,
This came right on the heels of her.
for someone who has been on Broadway international shows,
Ambition or comfort?
listen, ambition or comfort?
Ambition or comfort?
Or comfort.
Are they unrelated?
I don't know if they're mutually exclusive. I feel like, I don't know, that's hard.
Because my ambition
We
is
want
to be
ambition and comfort.
comfortable.
Yes, that's the point.
No, my
I agree.
ambition is to be comfortable.
No, I agree. But pick one, because it's Wednesday and you have to go.
Comfort.
Okay. I'll take ambition.
No.
Why? Because I function best on like go than I do being comfortable.
I want comfort, and comfort for me is not only physical, it's also mental and spiritual.
Now you're doing the most. So it's ambition. That's mental too, physical. Next question.
Good luck. You think somebody to pay the bill?
Rich and famous or rich and unknown? This is an easy one. Para mí. Quiero.
Which one?
I'm saying it. I said I want to be. I said I want. Rich and unknown. All day, every day.
Me want rich and famous. What you talk about? Me good. Me double rich them time there. Me rich again. Famous? Oh Lord of us. Me walk in. Do you know the opportunities that present themselves when people know you?
Yes, I live in Jamaica.
Right. And you want unknown?
That's all we do in Jamaica.
You want unknown in Jamaica?
The question said this hard. If me rich, me don't need no favor from you, know, call me well rich.
No, but
So me will do who no favor.
But you rich or unknown and walk into a restaurant?
Yes.
Or in the tax office?
No, when they see me walking in my drip, they know. They go, ooh.
You see? You have
Rich
drip.
have an aura, you know. Rich have an aura.
You have a drip. You have a drip. Me just walk in.
He is dripping. We're not dripping. Go on with the thing.
Good.
Speaking of drip,
come my front line.
Speaking of drip, Daytime Live will be right back with a video from Tyler. Water.
Rich and famous, me say.